If you want to change your WhatsApp number without losing data, this quick step-by-step tutorial will help you do it safely. First, open WhatsApp and tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Then go to Settings, and from there, tap on Account. Now, you'll see the option called Change Number. Tap on it and make sure you have access to both your old number and your new number, because verification is required. Tap Next, then enter your current WhatsApp number, followed by your new phone number. After that, confirm the process. WhatsApp will automatically transfer your chats, groups, and data to the new number without losing anything. One important tip: if you're using a new phone and a new number, make sure you first change the number on your old phone before switching devices. And that's it. This is the easiest way to change WhatsApp number without losing chats or data. For more quick and useful tutorials like this, keep watching.